boys, man. Hope y'all feeling good, because I'm feeling good. It's like, now I'm lying. I'm feeling great, so I hope y'all feeling great. So I'm about to come at y'all with a little mind reprogramming video. Some of y'all minds is backwards. Some of y'all think backwards. You know what I'm saying? Some of y'all aren't aware of, that you're negative mindset. Some of you not aware that you have negative thoughts. Some of y'all are not aware that your thought process is backwards. So I'm gonna give y'all a little exercise to go through to really reprogram your mind, because your mind is everything. If your mind isn't right, you won't do nothing. You know what I'm saying? You won't accomplish anything. You know what I'm saying? You're just gonna be living, and this matrix is just gonna control what goes on for you. When your mind is not right, the matrix controls what goes on for you. You feel what I'm saying? When you have no control of your thoughts, you have no control of where you're gonna go. You know what I'm saying? So, um, becoming spiritual, becoming spiritual and light has definitely changed my mindset completely. It's made my mindset a lot better. It's helped me out through being a businessman, and how I look at my outlook on life. My outcome. I know how my outcome will be, and it's all because of my mindset. You know what I mean? I have 100% confidence in anything I go through and everything I go in because of my mindset. So without being said, we just put y'all on. So first one is, history never repeats itself, but it does rhyme. So there might be something in the past that might have happened, and if you never fix that past, if you have bad habits, the same shit might not happen identically, but it will rhyme. You're gonna go through the same situation. You know what I'm saying? Think about when I used to, when I used to always safe. You know what I'm saying? Safe in random spots, outside of random spots. You know, I get caught up. The cops will pull up. Feel me? 12 will pull up on us. I get caught up. And what did I do? I didn't learn. I didn't change my habits. I did the same shit. I still get caught up in a different place. You feel what I'm saying? So history never repeats itself, but it does rhyme. Two, your thinking determines your belief, and your belief determines your reality. So if you think something negative is going to happen, you'll believe it. And if you believe something negative is going to happen, it will happen. Your belief system is everything. You believe negativity, you will receive negativity. The universe listens to you. Okay? So if you're in a situation and you have a negative outlook on the situation, you will receive a negative outcome. Fix your mind. Your mind is backwards. If you determine situations as reality, you will see it in your reality. So a lot of y'all, you know what I'm saying? You look at, like, let's say the president. You think the president is your ruler. So in reality, the president is your ruler. When in reality, the president is not your ruler. Your president has nothing to do with your life, damn near nothing, and you basically are the ruler of your own life. You guys put into reality that we are ruled by other people, but in reality, you rule yourself. You can be exactly whatever you want to be. You know what I'm saying? So that's just an example. Another example. You guys put into reality that movies is just movies. So when you see some true shit in a movie, you put into reality that it's just a movie. But in reality, movies have real messages in them. Movies sometimes will put shit in front of your face that literally is going on in real life. But because of what you put into your reality, you think of it as a reality. Your mind is backwards. Number 4. Hold on. Number 4. You caused it, so you can fix it. This one, some situations we don't cause. Sometimes we grow up like the school system. We're put in the school system. We have no real control over that. We have no real control over, how we're taught when we're growing up, and that's not our choice. If I would have went back and to choose how I would have grown up, I wouldn't have grown up in the school system. You know what I'm saying? But I have no choice. You know what I'm saying? So certain things we have no choice and rule over, but certain things you cause. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? A lot of y'all feel negative vibrational thoughts and feelings because you caused that. You let that come to you. But you can fix it, okay? Remember that. All right? Don't doubt anything. Don't doubt anything. A lot of y'all just agree with anything that happens on the news. A lot of y'all just agree with anything that you see on the news, but you have no doubt in it. It's really funny. You know, the fakest thing in the world, the most negative, low vibrational thing in the world for you, the news, y'all have no doubt in it. Y'all believe any world event going on. You have no doubt. Don't doubt anything. That one digs deep. Your mind is backwards. Whatever you number 6, whatever you think can't be done, someone else will do. You know what I'm saying? So a lot of y'all will tell yourself, "Oh, I can't do this, or I can't lose weight." You know what I'm saying? "Oh, I can't bench this amount." You know, "Oh, I can't beat him." "Oh, I can't shoot 10 threes in a row." "Oh, I can't do this, I can't do that." "Oh, I can't tap in with my higher self. I can't do it." Someone else will do it. Number 7, you're doing better if you don't know. You're not doing better if you don't know better. You know what I'm saying? So some of y'all think that you're upgrading. You know, some of y'all think that you're leveling up, but you don't know no better than what you did last year. You know what I'm saying? So what are you leveling up? All you did was just waste more time. That's all you did. You know, if you'll know when you know more. You know what I'm saying? You'll know when you know better. You'll know when you're different from what you previously were. You know what I'm saying? If you're still doing the same dumb shit that you were doing in the past, you don't know no better. Number 8, you can't change what you're not really willing to acknowledge. One of the most important ones on here. You can't change what you're not willing to acknowledge. Okay? A lot of y'all will not acknowledge that you can't put down the weed. A lot of y'all that won't acknowledge that you can't put down your phone. My fault, I got interrupted, but back to what I was saying. A lot of y'all can't acknowledge things. You know, you can't acknowledge what's wrong with yourself. You can't acknowledge your flaws. Okay? A lot of y'all can't acknowledge things about yourself. And that's why that's the reason why you can't change things about yourself. You feel what I'm saying? You're thinking backwards. All right? Number 9, win the race before it's ran. Okay? Now understand that, right? Win the race before it's ran. Before you do something, you have to already tell yourself that you already did it. Before you say you're gonna go do this, do that, you have to go tell yourself, I already did it. You know, I already won this race. I'm already rich, so I don't have to. I'm good. You know what I'm saying? You have to see yourself already in that position. You have to see yourself already winning the race before you could run it. Feel what I'm saying? And number 10, positive thinking is never wrong. I don't care what nobody says. I don't care who you're around. If you got negative thinking friends, they're going to laugh at you for saying something positive about a situation. They're going to laugh at you for having a positive outlook on life. They're going to laugh at you when you have positive comments instead of negative comments about someone. So watch who you hang around, okay? Having a positive outlook is never wrong, ever. In no type of situation ever. Having a positive outlook is never wrong. Your mind is backwards. You're thinking backwards, my boy. So how to fix these things? Number 1, record your limiting beliefs. Okay, record them. Write them down. Write down the things that's limiting you from being better. Write down the things that's limiting you from reaching your higher self. Write down the things that's limiting you from using your brain correctly. Okay? Write them down. Number 2, review them. Review your beliefs. Review why you were thinking this way. Okay? Because if you don't know why you were thinking this way, you won't know how to fix it. You won't know where to start. You review why you were thinking this way. Maybe you were hanging around the wrong people. Maybe you were watching the wrong things. Maybe you were listening to the wrong people. Maybe you were listening to the wrong things. Maybe you grew up in the wrong environment. Maybe you grew up around the wrong people than what you should have been. You know what I'm saying? Maybe it was a childhood that you were grown into. Okay? Review it. All right? Now, number 3, reject and refrain from your beliefs. Okay? So now, you know, Whatever that's holding you back from being successful, reject it whenever it comes up. Like I said, the universe will test you. The universe will test your ass. Okay? A lot of y'all say it's life and this and that. It is life, but it's the universe. The universe hears everything. Okay? The universe hears everything. So it will test you. Okay? Refrain from it. That would test to see if you're really trying to level up or not. That would test to see if you're really trying to be better than what you were before. Number 4, revise them. You know, verbally or write them down, revise them. Tell yourself what you're going to do better. Tell yourself how you're going to change. Tell yourself what you're going to do instead of doing that negative thing you were doing before. Tell yourself how you're going to be better than what you were yesterday. Tell yourself how you're going to be a better person to everybody's eye. You know, why should I look at you differently than what I recognize you as? You know what I'm saying? Tell yourself that you're going to be better. Number 5, reinvent yourself. All right? You know what you got to do. Now do it. Reinvent yourself. The best thing you could do for yourself. All right? I'm always trying to reinvent myself every day, trying to get better every day. I don't want people to see me stagnant. I want, whenever, it makes me feel good whenever I see people and I haven't seen them in a long time and they're like, wow, look at you, this and that. Oh, you doing this, oh, you doing that. Oh, you know this, oh, you know that. Oh, you know how to do this, oh, you know how to do that. I love that feeling. I feel that every single day. Well, not every day, but I feel that every single, here, now, and then whenever I visit people and they haven't seen me in a while. Reinvent yourself. That being said, bro, a lot of y'all thinking backwards. A lot of y'all don't have your mindsets right. A lot of y'all don't have a positive outlook on life. That's why you get negative results. That's why you get constant negative things to come into your universe, because that's the stuff that you attract. Okay? Fix your mindset. That being said, bro, it's up, it's stuck, and I'm out, but I'm going to catch y'all.